Why Dollar Tree rollers, paint rollers, stink versus standard rollers. I use this one for maybe 5 minutes painting a ceiling inside a tiny little closet. Wasn't a lot of stress. This one is probably years old. Could be 10, 15 years old as far as I know. Show you why. This one, the metal only goes into the plastic handle. It is less than an inch, about half an inch. First reason. So I'm pretty assuming the metal goes in farther because I beat the heck out of this one, use it on a pole and all that, going in the ceiling. Another thing is, when you're taking off the roller, this one doesn't fit exactly tight anymore. A lot of times, well, actually, when the paint's stuck on here, as you get old paint, and a lot of times you get the roller, this one's still a little wet because I was cleaning it. If you notice, a lot of times the roller will get stuck on there and you have to twist it off. Okay. Don't worry, this is water. This one, it doesn't even fit the roller on right, first of all, but if you get paint stuck on there from all the years of using it, it twists. That's it. Instantly. If you get stuck. This one I'm going to try to twist. I'm not trying. Actually, I am trying hard. It doesn't twist. So these things will twist and then break if the paint roller gets stuck on there because there's old paint stuck on there. And see, it doesn't even fit the roller right. This is a used roller. For about 10 minutes we used it. It broke on this originally. And then there's no meat in the handle.